word? Are you worried?
No.
Me neither. I am definitely
What are
not
you gonna do
worried.
with the balloon after?
Can I pop it?
I'm not gonna do anything with it. One of you is.
Yes! Me. I volunteer.
Then immediately takes off his back and
I volunteer, Mono. Screw you.
How many times have you failed an experiment and somebody has died?
No one's ever died. One girl did get hot acid shot at her when we did exothermic reactions in chemistry, advanced chemistry a long time ago. She was fine, but it gave her a little surprise. One kid shoved a thermometer through his hand once.
Oh!
He was trying to push it into a cork. It's a glass thing, and he's pushing it through a cork like this. You're supposed to put oil on it and kind of twist it in, not shove it in with your palm. Woo! All right, it's getting hot.
Don't drop it.
Okay. Okay. So, signs of chemical reaction. There's clearly a gas here that was not here before. Okay. Clearly a gas here that was not here before. It's something new, right? We made a new thing.
Is that hydrogen gas? Somebody have a match?
Okay.
That's what we can do.
All right. So,
Yo.
we have a new gas that we didn't have before. I only have to do this a few more times this year.
Hey, can you
Okay. So, there's some gas here, and some of you are saying, what's the identity of the gas? Right? Well, if we think it through logically, there are literally only two possible options.
Zinc and.
Okay,
So. Whatever it's called.
Well, let's see here. Zinc.
Think of us.
At room temperature, zinc is in what state? Solid. Okay, can't be zinc. What are our other options?
Thin chloride.
Chlorine,
Chlorine gas.
chlorine gas, or,
Helium.
right? I mean, there's
Hydrogen,
not a whole lot of options here for what this could be. You probably know that chlorine gas is poisonous
Yay.
and will kill you if you breathe it in.
breathe that in?
So it's probably not that, right?
Probably.
Okay,
Must-
mustard gas. Okay,
Mustard gas, eh?
so hydrogen is less dense than oxygen and nitrogen, so it wants to float up to the top of the ocean of air that we're in. Hydrogen is the gas used for the Hindenburg.
Ooh.
You familiar with the Hindenburg?
That's.
Yes.
Near.
Okay. Believe it or not, the Hindenburg, they called them airships. And there was a time when we were seriously considering, instead of trucks taking everything across the country, we were going to fly them in these airships. This was a thing. But they kept having these catastrophic accidents.
Whoops.
And it was really some interesting technology because hydrogen is such a tiny, tiny molecule. It's seeping through the balloon right now. It's so small it can get through most containers. So, not making this up, to fly the Hindenburg, they had to have something, some bags they could fill with hydrogen that wouldn't leak. And like many things in life, they used the rectum of bulls. Got like hundreds of thousands of bull rectums, lower part of the intestine, and filled them with hydrogen.
I have a person.
So there was a time when people had to take bull rectums, wash them out, so they could be used to fly airships. Sounds stupid, but you know, look at the reality we live in. Everything's stupid. Okay? It's cool. So I need a volunteer. So hands up high if you are interested in being in the volunteer lottery. How many is one? Remember your number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4. 4 people. Okay, the right side up number is the 1. And it's number 1.
No, it's not.
Okay.
I'm gonna kill you, Robbie.
Okay, so why don't you come on over here?
Eliminate the competition.
You know,
That's not a threat.
I could have maybe done this on Valentine's Day because this is a little practice for Robbie here. This is
Maybe Kylie.
okay. Robbie is
Kylie, what's the name of your crush?
practicing proposing for marriage, okay? So you gotta propose for marriage, you gotta get down on one knee, right? Okay.
What's your ring?
Gotta get down on one knee, and you're just going to put the candle up,
Is this
and we'll see if you know if they say yes.